The next Indian city that creates massive wealth may not be Mumbai, may not be Bangalore, and may not even be Hyderabad. In fact, the smartest money in India may quietly be moving into tier 2 cities now. Now imagine this, you have just 1 crore rupees and you have to invest them in one of the cities. Not because relatives are there, not because you like the weather there, and not even because you love the place, but purely because you have to create wealth. Which city would it be? Visakhapatnam, India's rising port giant. Thiruvananthapuram, India's smartest hidden tech city. Or Coimbatore, the silent industrial machine. Or maybe Nagpur, India's future logistics capital. Because one of these cities could quietly explode as wealth creator in the next decade. And by the end of this video, I will tell you which one do I believe in as the next biggest wealth story in India. For 25 years, India's wealth story was concentrated in few of the mega cities: Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi NCR, Chennai, Hyderabad. But now, these cities are hitting their limits. Real estate is becoming unaffordable. Traffic is killing productivity. Salaries are rising sharply. And infrastructure is under tremendous pressure. And companies are asking a very important question. Where will India's next phase of growth will take place? And the answer is now shifting towards ambitious tier 2 cities. Because historically, the biggest wealth is created even before the news of it arrives. Just like people who bought land in Gurgaon before 2005 and Hyderabad before 2010, because they knew that these are the potential biggest wealth creators at that point of time. And now, similar shift may be happening again. Before moving forward, please do consider subscribing to the channel if the subjects of business, finance, and economy are of your interest. Let us start with Visakhapatnam, also known as Vizag. And honestly, this city may have one of the strongest long-term strategic positions in India. Why? Because Vizag is no longer just a port city. It is trying to become something much more bigger, a combination of manufacturing, maritime trade, and technology growth. Historically, world's most powerful cities were often port-led economies: Singapore, Shanghai, Dubai. And this is for a very simple reason, that ports attract manufacturing, exports, logistics, global trade, warehousing. And Vizag already has that foundation: a major natural port, steel plants, pharma ecosystem, petroleum industries, and naval infrastructure. And now comes the important shift. Andhra Pradesh is aggressively pushing Vizag as its future economic capital. And that push is increasingly focused on technology too. Today, Vizag's growth is focused on IT parks, fintech services, startup ecosystem development, data centers, digital infrastructure, and global capability center interest. Companies are now exploring tier 2 tech cities because Bangalore and Hyderabad have become increasingly expensive and saturated. And Vizag offers something rare: a coastal city with comparatively lower costs and better scalability. And then there is Bhogapuram International Airport. If this project scales successfully, along with port expansion and IT tech investments, Vizag could evolve into a very powerful economic corridor. But this is important to understand. Vizag is still an execution story. The upside could be enormous, but policy continuity and infrastructure development will decide how big this opportunity is. Now comes the city that may surprise many people: Thiruvananthapuram or Trivandrum. Most Indians still underestimate this city badly, but something very powerful is happening here. This is becoming a rare combination of technology, human capital, and port-led growth. Trivandrum has Technopark, one of India's biggest IT parks, ISRO ecosystem, strong engineering talent, very high literacy, and strong quality of life. But the real game changer, the Vizag port. And here's why it matters. India currently loses enormous maritime opportunity because much of our cargo gets routed through foreign transshipment hubs like Colombo and Singapore. Vizag aims to change that. The port sits incredibly close to a major international shipping route and is being positioned as India's first major deep water transshipment hub. And remember something important: technology cities become powerful, port cities become wealthy, but cities that combine both could become transformational cities. Now let's talk about Coimbatore in Tamil Nadu. This city doesn't make noise, it just keeps creating businesses. Honestly, Coimbatore may not be amongst the most mature business cities amongst these four. Why? Because this city has created something very difficult, a deep entrepreneurial ecosystem, not dependent on just one company, not dependent on hype, but dependent on thousands of MSMEs, engineering, textiles, machine tools, auto components, precision manufacturing. Now that creates resilience, and Tamil Nadu in itself is India's strongest manufacturing economy, which means Coimbatore benefits from supply chains, skilled manpower, industrial culture, ports access, and manufacturing networks. This is not a speculative city. This is a steady wealth compounding city. If you are someone who's conservative with money, this city becomes extremely attractive. And finally, Nagpur. This city's biggest strength is its location. Nagpur sits almost at the geographic center of India, and India is investing massively in expressways, freight corridors, warehousing, logistics infrastructure. Now think about the future. As manufacturing grows, e-commerce grows, as supply chain expands, India will need massive logistics hubs. That is where Nagpur becomes extremely interesting. Projects like Nihan may have taken longer than expected, but now the overall direction favors cities like Nagpur. This is not a glamour story. This is an infrastructure story. And infrastructure stories create millionaires over the period of time. Now, if I had 1 crore rupees today, where would I place it? If I wanted high risk infrastructure upside, then Vizag, stable industrial compounding, then Coimbatore, and logistics led growth, Nagpur. But personally, the city that I would watch very closely over the next decade is Trivandrum or Thiruvananthapuram, because very few Indian cities combine technology, global maritime access, educated workforce, quality of life, and strategic future relevance. And if Vizag port scales successfully, this city could completely change its economic trajectory. Now I want your honest answer. If you had 1 crore rupees today, which of these cities would you invest in for next 10 years? Do comment below, and do not forget to subscribe for sharp analysis on India's economies, business, real estate and wealth, because India's next big opportunities may already be silently arriving. Do not forget to share this video with someone who you think needs to know. Be inspired, keep building.